What's up, guys? This Splendor Pictures. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this look for this video. Let me just play it so you see. Yeah, that's pretty it. Well, yes, this is the before. You can see that we have this harsh blue to saturated. And how can we move from this to the one I just recently played? So let's dive right into the video. Let's go right into the video first. You open DaVinci Resolve. Yeah, just like so. And it loads. Then I just have to create a new project and name it color grading. Then click create. Yeah, it's created now. The what else I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna change my settings to vertical mode. Use the vertical mode, square, nice. Then your timeline frame, that's perfect. The playback frame, this is also perfect. Then I just have to set this to 4K and the format 24 frames, and that's cool. Yeah, just review that thing. Well, I did in 4K though. Okay, just gonna press save. Then this I just did will help my videos when it appears on this viewfinder, the timeline. It won't, when it appears on the viewfinder, it won't appear as a landscape view, but rather a portrait. Just gonna bring this up. Okay, I'm just gonna click on it. You can see it's playing. So yeah, go to my editing workflow and you can find it here, the media pool. And if you double click, it appears here, but it's not on your timeline. So you can pick the video, the audio, or just pick all of them. It has already been edited, already been cut. This straight out on my camera. Now I'm going to show you how I color graded it. I'm going to show how I made it glow so much. Yep, so that's the video. Okay, that's it. Then you go to your color workspace, and first thing first I'm gonna do is this my note. I'm just gonna go to my primary wheel. Then you just look for what you don't like in this image. That's just basically what I do first. What is it I don't like? Okay, I like this yellow, I like a little bit of the green, but I don't like this blue. I don't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna increase my hue gently. Now you see that my orange has popped, this light has changed to blue. This before, this after, this before, this after. See that it has given it like this nice vibe. You can check out vector scope. Look how it's pulled down here. The blue is too much on the image. Well, I've gotten like this nice yellow I really want. you know, blue and orange. Sorry, not yellow, orange. Blue and orange is like they are complementary colors. It gives this fine look at well the blue of the orange, blue and orange. So they are complementary colors. Yeah. So I want this my blue to be stepped down. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create new node. Well, create new node by pressing Command S or Control S if you're using a window. And then I will come to my color picker. Now pick the blue. Just click on the blue. See that there's a little changes here. Then you press Shift H. You can see your changes, just like Premiere Pro. You can just see your changes. What you're gonna do is just toggle around this. See the saturation increase, just play around this. See, I'm beginning to capture the blue. You go to the luminance, increase. Just do your thing. Get what you want to really get, and be careful though, because it's colors. And you get a little bit of blue. Now I have the blue, so I'm just gonna soften my edges, increase feather, clean my blacks a little, clean my whites a little, go to 2, and the noise, the image, and press Shift H back to get back to where we started, and come back to the primary color wheel. And that's blue. Just gonna reduce it and make it darker. See how we're toggling our blue. See how I've succeeded in making that blue darker. Yep. Sorry. Yep. So check out before, after, before, after, before, after. Now, I feel like I want to reduce my blue saturation a little. Yeah, just like so. You can't actually see what is happening, but something is happening to the image. Before, after. You can even see on the face, there's a change. Before, after. It has been brought down, it has been reduced very well. Now that we have achieved that color with just 2 steps, what we're going to do next is we're going to glow an image. What I do to glow my image, I just Alt S to create new node, and I go to my effects and search for halation. I use the studio version, so I have all this stuff. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to get the studio version for Mac users, I don't know about the Windows users, I don't use Windows. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how to get the studio version for Mac user, cracked version, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and follow, yeah, for more of this content. Okay, halation, you can see that there's a difference now. Are you seeing the difference? There's a little bit of glow added to it. You can just work on it, but I like to leave it this way because it's nice for me. So guys, this is it. Now I'm just gonna add one more thing to this video, and what's that? Create new node, and I'm just gonna, have you ever shot a video, filmed the video, and at the end of the day you find some digital noise in the video? you just like some all around the video. How can you smoothen that out of your clip? In davinci Resolve, with just a few clicks, you can get that out. What you're going to do right in this color tab, I've created a new node. I'm going to go to this tool. It's called motion effects. You just click on it and you see the temporal and the frames. Increase your frame to 5 frames to the max. Then instead of faster, you go to better. Then your thresholds, you just increase the luma. Increase it. And as you increase, just watch your video to check if your noise have just been wiped out. If you increase to the max, you are not satisfied, you can go to this spectral NR and change to better, then increase the luma here. But I'm fine by this. I also have motion blur. You can do, see, there are tons of things you can do with this app. There's a lot you can do with it. There's actually a lot. So I'm just going to change this back to 0 and change this back to faster. I don't want that. This is better. Just going to reduce this a little and go back to our editing workspace. And here we go, guys. We have that saturated, colorful video in our footage. So that's it for today's tutorial, guys. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you're watching from Facebook, follow, like this video. Also, thank you for watching. I'm Splendor. Peace out.